restock of patchouli woods today. This is a goat's milk natural soap, and it is a blend of patchouli, litsea, or litsea, I need to look up how to say that, cedarwood, clove, I do coffee grounds, and then I have some alkanet in there as well. The goat's milk is from our goats. So this will be a 20 bar batch. I'm going to pour off just a little bit to do a tester of a fragrance. So that's what I'll be doing at the very beginning. My plan is to pour off about a quarter of it, and that will be unscented with the alkanet in it, and then the rest of it will have the essential oil blend and then some coffee grounds in there for some gentle exfoliation. And on the alkanet, I'm not doing an infusion, because if you do infusion on that, you'll get a purple, which I'm going to be doing for another soap later, but it gives it kind of a smoky purple grayish color, and it has the specks in it. So I think it looks really pretty with this soap. So let me go ahead and grab my lye and let's get started.